Bro, what? What the hell?
So we can break apart to hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this.
What's going on, guys? How's your and welcome back to episode 3 of our survival series here on ManaCube. I'm going to be showing you guys some tips and tricks on how to make more money on this server. Giveaway winners will be announced at the end of the video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I hope you guys all enjoy, and let's get into the video. Now we are here with one of the Iron Golem spawner winners, Lucas. Congratulations, dude. Thank you for entering into the giveaway. I just want to show off that I'm going to give him the IG, just in case people think it's a scam, because we don't want anyone to think that it's a real Iron Golem spawner. So here you go, man. And okay, his friend's gonna pick it up, isn't he? Ooh, lol, his friend got it. Oh, there we go, boys. That's the Iron Golem spawner. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks. Let's go. All right, everybody, Keely and I are about to just start killing some blazes. Here we go. Look at this, guys. Look how fast these mans are dying. Look, I'm just aiming at nothing. I'm not even aiming at the blaze's foot, and I'm killing both of these blazes. Look at this, guys. That's some magic right there, but it's great. I love it. And then just look how fast I'm getting XP and blaze rods. Like, I'm literally stacked on blaze rods right now, and I can move side to side too, and I'll still be killing them. Alright, guys, so if you guys want to know the fastest way to grind these blazes, there's actually a couple of tricks that I found out. I'm not sure if they work all the time though, because sometimes my way of grinding these things doesn't work. But like, as you can see right now, like, I'm grinding them so fast that like they're just instantly dying. Whereas like if I came over here, I think this grinder is not working right now. So like if I come over here and I hit them, you can see that there's a delay. Like, look, I'm not killing them as fast because it's like strike, 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 strike. Like, I'm clicking as fast as I can. Like, I can show you guys me clicking, but it doesn't kill them as fast. Alright, guys, so the first trick that you want to do is you want to be at least underneath the blazes a little bit. You don't have to be like literally underneath them, but you just have to be able to see underneath their feet, and you kind of want to swing like, oh god, is the server lagging? Okay, there we go. So you kind of just want to swing just a little bit underneath their feet. Like, you don't want to be like swinging at their feet. I mean, you could, but I like to swing like kind of in between, underneath, and in between their actual feet. So like this little area right here. And if I swing, there you go. I'm killing them super fast. Like, you can see them just completely like falling out, falling over, and dying, right? Like, you don't see any delay at all. Like, I'm literally just farming these things so freaking fast. So that's one of the tricks that you kind of want to do. Also, like, if I come over here, I just want to show you guys like what you guys are probably farming like. So like, I know most people, they probably don't have a grinder that's like that, or they probably don't know how to farm that fast. So like, most people are probably gonna be farming like this. Alright, here we go. So as you guys can see, it's not really as effective. Like on the clip before, the blazes were like falling over and stuff. They were turning red and falling to their side. Like, you can clearly see here that it's taking way longer, and there's like a delay. So like every swing I do doesn't give me a kill. So you kind of want to watch out for that, and try to see if you're grinding these as efficiently as possible, because you want to make sure you're aiming directly underneath their feet. Alright, guys, make sure to just keep in mind that this trick may not always work all the time. I still haven't figured out like the exact way that you're supposed to do this yet, because I've just been testing around with stuff. Like, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So like, if I click like this, see, it's working, right? But then like sometimes even if you aim underneath their feet, it doesn't work. So I haven't found like the exact way yet, but for now, all you need to just know is try, and if you can, aim underneath their feet like I said, and try to get just a bunch of them stacked together. And also, one really important enchant that you want to try to get is Sweeping Edge 3. So what Sweeping Edge does is it should make your aura, or that little, like, how there's like a little blast radius that you guys saw before, it kind of makes your blast radius do more damage. So that's actually really nice too, because you'll be killing more blazes faster, and you're gonna have like a kind of like a little blast radius on your sword. Like, as you can see right now, I think the blast radius is just from 1.12, isn't it, factions? Like, I think 1.12 just automatically gives you like a little blast on your weapon, but Sweeping Edge will make it a lot stronger. So that kind of really helps you to one-shot blazes, especially if you don't have things like strength or beacons. So after recording this, I've actually found a much faster way to grind these blazes. So if you just jump actually into the grinder, like literally go into the grinder and just swing, it's actually much faster. Like, as you can see now, it's actually working. I don't have to like actually aim at anything. I don't have to put any effort into like trying to aim at the blaze's foot or anything like that. All I have to do is just go into the grinder and just swing. I mean, I guess this is the best way. I don't know. Like, leave in the comment section below if you guys know any other ways to grind these blazes, because right now, like, this is just what I've been doing lately. I saw one of my my party members doing it, and I was like, wow, that's actually that's much faster than actually like trying to sit down there and trying to like aim for their feet and stuff like that. But yeah, they might only work though if there's a lot of stacks of blades. Like if there aren't too many stacks, then you might not want to do this. But if there's a bunch, then this is actually a pretty fast way because you'll be able to kill all of them at the same time. Here's a time of me killing these Endermen, and you guys can see which method you want to do. Alright guys, so one important feature of the survival server on ManaCube is that you can do something called /jobs. If you do /jobs, you have a bunch of jobs over here. As you can see, we have things like weaponsmith or crafter. We have digger, farmer. So all these things, like, they give you money depending on, you know, if you do the task or not. So like say if I took the miner job, then if I mine ores or you know, stone, it actually gives me money. So here's an example. So since we have hunter on right now, let's just go back to the blaze. So if we do pure blaze 2 and we go and kill a blaze, you're gonna see that a bar. Okay, oh my god, dude, we're definitely not gonna go to that grinder. Thank you very much. So if we come over here and I'm hitting the blaze, you can see on the top of my screen it says my hunter level and it shows my XP. So as my XP goes up, you can also see on the bottom that it says I just earned 1,119 monies. So that's kind of really cool. You can get some free money like that, and also grinding your job levels gives you something called job points, and you can spend them in the job shop. So if I do /jobs shop, we can see the job shop over here. You can buy things like the slave title, vote keys, blaze spawners. What else are there? There's large money pouches and enchantment books. So what I recommend buying is just a large money pouch. This is probably the best thing you're probably ever gonna get, because you don't really want any of these things. They aren't worth it. I'm gonna buy a large money pouch just for fun right now, since I have enough points. Let's just see what I get from it. So if we do /job shop, when we buy that, pop it open. Let's see, we got 177k, the lowest amount I've ever gotten in my entire life. That's great. The range is from 175k to 300k, I think, right? So I technically just got the trashiest pouch of all time. Hopefully you guys don't get that luck as well. But mostly the only jobs that you really want to do are just hunter, woodcutter, and miner. I think these are the 3 best jobs for you to get money and level up and get job points. Woodcutter is so good because if you get an axe like mine right now with haste 3 on it, let's just do /home spruce. And if I show you guys, just look how fast I'm mining these trees. Look at this, guys. Boom. Hold on, I just got a little bad aim. Okay, there we go. So you can literally just go to a forest or like one of those, what are those called? Jungle biomes, right? With 2x2 trees. I think that's what they are. And then you can just mine those 2x2 trees so fast, and then just look how much woodcutter level I'm getting. And this woodcutter job also gives a ton of points, so it's kind of really worth it if you're just trying to grind some money and you have a bunch of trees around, you got nothing else to do. But you got to make sure you have a haste on your axe though if you want to be mining this fast. Haste 3 is max, so make sure you get haste 3 as well. And yeah, that's it. It's just this easy. And the hunter job, you know, you just grind some blazes. That also gives you a lot of points, and you're probably going to be mining out a lot while you're on here. So you're probably, you know, going to be mining out mountains for your houses. You're going to be mining out floors to make it flat. So that's why miner is also the 3rd recommended job. Alright everybody, so I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to make my sugarcane farm. It's actually really easy and it doesn't even cost that much money. It's just probably going to take a lot of time if you want to make a giant one. But first we need to learn how to craft an observer. So I don't think a lot of people know how to make these. I'm not sure, but I definitely didn't know. So this is all you need. You need 1 nether quartz, 2 redstone, 6 pieces of cobblestone. There you go. We'll have 1 observer. And now to make the farm, all you need is just some stone, so we can have like a little base over here. Then you're going to be putting your water, in this little patch of area right here. So let's just pretend that there's water there, because I didn't bring any water buckets for some reason. But then we're going to go put our grass on top like this. Oh god, wait a minute. Okay guys, sorry I messed up, but we're going to go put our grass over here. And then we're going to be able to put sugarcane along this line right here, and then there's going to be water right here. And then your water source could all flow to like a middle area. It doesn't really matter where you put it, but you can have it like say right here, and you can put some signs. So this way your sugarcane will fall into like this little hole right here. On this side, we're gonna want to do a block like this. Alright guys, so I just decided I'm just gonna use some water because it's kind of easier to explain if we do this. So we can put water on both of those sides, and then we can place a sign right there. Place a sign right here. And then that way our sugarcane is just gonna fall straight down into this little hole. Wait a minute. Okay, I literally thought the water just came right down. But now we can do like a little backboard area, so it's easier to place our pistons. So we do this first backboard, and then we're gonna do another one, which should be over here, like this. And then we're gonna take our pistons now. Oh wait, I don't even know why I only brought 2 observers, but it's gonna be something like this. And then we're gonna have our observers up here. Oh, well, we cannot place it like that. We're gonna have to do it from behind. So you want to place your observers from behind and make sure this little eye part is, sticking out, or is not sticking out. Make sure it's facing the back side. And then we can go get some redstone from where do we go? Mineral shop. And we're gonna place it. So we're just gonna place this like along the line right here, and then we're gonna put some observers up here. So let me just cut to that. Okay, guys. So now we are back with all the observers placed with the redstone behind. And now whenever a piece of sugarcane grows like this, the observer is going to see it once it hits this 3rd layer, and the piston is going to push it out. And then there you go. And then your sugarcane is probably going to fall into this little water stream, and then it'll fall straight down into your hoppers or whatever you put down there. Some of it may get stuck here actually, so that's kind of the only annoying part about this contraption. But I'm not sure how to fix that. So if anyone knows, or if anyone has any ideas on how to prevent that from happening, be sure to comment it down below, because that would probably help a lot of people. But yeah, there you go. This is your super easy sugarcane farm, and it's really easy to make too. Alright guys, so now we're here on my channel. As you can see, we're on episode 2 of our series. Now if I do a copy and we paste this into our favorite YouTube random comment picker like this, we'll be able to generate a bunch of unique comments. So let's see, there's 49 of you guys. So before we start, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support on the videos. And let's just get into the giveaway now. So the first winner that I'm going to pick is going to win 1 qubit. Here we go. Good luck to everyone. Let's see who is our first winner. And we have Golden Gaming 1. Congratulations on winning 1 qubit. It's time to pick the second winner for 3 qubits. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, well, that was anticlimactic. All right, let's do this again. Let's see who wins. And congratulations, Zoxzy or JT, for winning 3 qubits. And here we go for the 3rd winner, who is going to win 5 qubits. So this is going to be the big prize. Good luck to everyone, and start. Congratulations, Jack Connors, dude. Hey guys, like, sub, and turn on the bell. IGN Cranky Pants 200. Congratulations, dude, on winning yourself 5 qubits. Thank you all for entering. If you did not win, do not be disappointed, because I may be doing more giveaways in the future. Let's get back into the video. Alright guys, so before we end the video off, I know a lot of people wanted to know what my texture pack was. So if we go into my texture packs right now, we can see that the one that I have equipped currently is the Ariana Grande one. I'll probably leave a description, or I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to go download that. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also be sure to comment down below if you guys would like me to record something, or if you have any video ideas for me, because I'm always looking for something to record or something new, so I know what you guys want to watch. And yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.